Hello everyone, we already know the basic structure of the eyes, so let's understand in detail how works and enables us to see the wonderful world and colors around us. How are we able to see an object? Well, to start with, the light from the sun or any artificial light travel in the straight line ones of the object and enter into our eyes to the cornea. As we know, iris with eyes, bending cornea control how much light enter the eyes. Depending on amount of the light, the iris changing size of pupil to let more or less light in. This the prevent to damage the eyes by stopping too much entering in the eyes when it is bright and maximum the amount of the eyes when it is dark. Now light coming in through pupils for solar lens and focus the light on retina. The eye's lens formed in inverted real image of the object, the retina, but what we actually see is the irrigate image and in terms of the color, etc. We can say it is far is footage shot by expensive HD camera. So how do we say so many colors and how do we say in terms image? As we already know, the retina has a normal number light sensitive cells. The cornea cells identify colors and root cells are for the receptor cells at one functions less interest light. There are around 6 to 7 million cornea cells and around 120 million root cells in a retina. When the image of the object of the forms the retina, the light sensitive cells get activate on animations and generate electricity signals. The signals are the transmitted to the brain by optic nerves when are more than 1 million in number. Now the brain interprets the signal and finally processes of information and only then prevents of the object in terms of the shape, size, color. Remember the brain's terms image around so the we do not be conformed and confused asked to the see object of